Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read till the end of September. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. Beautiful card jumped out for you, Pisces. The Ten of Pentacles, the stability forever and evermore. Let me keep this card aside and see if it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love. And if you're new here, we are an Omkara family. We would love to have you join us. Do subscribe to the channel and become part of the Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings for all zodiac signs. And let me explain this to you newcomers. I'm setting down two sets of cards, one for you, one for your love interest, and in the center I have your mutual energies. I'll be referring to one side as person A and the other as person B, and I have the Wheel of Fortune in your favor as well with the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, this is going to be an interesting read. So this is person A, but this is person B. You decide which side you resonate with, okay? You know your story better. So let's start opening the cards. Oh, before I open the cards, Pisces, I'm going to top it with an angel blessing card to see what my angels are going to bless you with. So my angels, can we have an advice card or a blessing card for my Pisces? Triumphant. Oh my God. What's happening here, Pisces? If I remember of your last readings, you were really bothered about finances. I think in your September read, I did say that things are going to get really good for you soon, especially in the money department. Wow, miracles are coming. Don't you worry. Don't you worry at all. Now we can open the cards. The first card I have here for you, for person A, is the Four of Swords. Somebody is healing. Somebody is by themselves and healing, taking some time out, reflecting. And then there is the King of Cups, but the King of Cups is in reverse. So this is the emotionally manipulative person. King of Wands, Page of Cups, Tower, and Justice. Very nice. Person B has the Lovers, Eight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor, Chariot, and the Moon. So I have one person here, Pisces, that's person A, who is right now reflecting, is in thinking mode. This person is healing from something that's happened, not being able to show emotions, keeping them well hidden. Maybe they did something in the past, maybe they came across as a player or, didn't do the right thing, and all these secrets came to light. Now I think they want to come towards person B with an apology. This has been a big tower moment in their life. They're totally shocked by it, of whatever has transpired, and they want to bring justice to this situation. So let's start clarifying the cards. Spirit, what's this Four of Swords for person A? What's this? Yeah, somebody played a bit of mischief here. I think somebody played a bit of mischief, and they went back to maybe an old way of being, and they are kind of taking stock, or now they are thinking that I've played this mischief, but I want to return back now to person B. And what is this King of Cups, Spirit? King of Cups? Yeah, they don't want this tower to fall. They don't want this tower to fall. It's already, lightning has already struck here. right? But they are trying to somehow think of some way to return back to person B and stall this tower from totally, finishing off. So what are these secrets that came out, Spirit? Knight of Wands? What are these secrets that came out with the Knight of Wands? Something happened here, Pisces, which maybe this person was juggling, but I think they've come to that realization that they don't want to juggle anymore. They are hurting and they want to kind of heal this broken heart between the two of you. They want to come out of this hermit mode, which I think they've been in for a long time. They're desperately wanting a return of some sort. They feel they've kind of lost the love of their life. They feel whatever has happened here has really shaken the foundation of this beautiful partnership, maybe which was there in the past. Now they want to come in with an apology. They want to come in with an apology with the Page of Cups. They're not happy at all. Person A is not happy at all by the way things have turned out, and they are desperately wanting now to return and stop this tower from falling altogether. Yeah, very stressed out. This person is extremely stressed out and worried and not being able to see. This is a self-imposed prison that they've put themselves in. They can't eat, sleep, think. All they can think of is what has happened between the two of you, how they've lost the love of their life, and how can they come back with an apology now. So, Spirit, what was this tower which fell? What was this tower? Somebody didn't invest properly in this commitment, right? Somebody invested wrongly maybe in this commitment. This was a committed partnership and somebody did not fuel it the way it should have. Maybe they did something out of character which blew up this relationship. But now they want to do justice. They really want to bring justice back into this equation and return. Too many cards, Spirit. Only one by one, please. Justice. What's this justice? Yeah, according to person A, this relationship may just come to a total halt. They feel there is no way I can have a fresh new beginning now after whatever tower moment you guys have had, and this is really stressing this person out big time. They can't sleep at night. They're having nightmares about what has happened between the two of you. Let's see what person B is doing. Person B has made a choice, right? Person B has made a choice. I think they've communicated it as well. They are now in their power. This person is coming across as the Queen of Pentacles. They have taken away the power of this king. Whoever was on side A, I think they've taken away their power completely and they are now emerging to become the Queen of Pentacles themselves. So let's start clarifying. Spirit, what is this, Lovers? What is this decision that is being made here by person B? Yeah, they feel that, they don't want to live in confusion anymore. This relationship really did not serve them the way they expected it. They felt as if this whole stability went for a sixer here. And they feel they must make a choice now and not be living in confusion. Maybe there were other options involved here and which person A took. And that led to this person feeling a little destabilized. So I think the person B is making a conscious decision here, and there is communication. So what is this communication regarding, Spirit? That they don't want to have a reunion. They don't want to get back to a happy place with person A anymore. They are wanting to take back charge of their life, take back control of their life now. Yeah, they don't want to have any forward movement. They don't want to plan anything new with person A. They have kind of turned their back on person A. they've taken the power away from this person who earlier came across as the emperor, but now they've made him feel, yeah, because this person B, who I think is the feminine energy, is very, very angry. She's very upset with the way things have, happened, whatever tower moment happened between the two of you. So why is there an emperor here, Spirit, and why is the emperor in reverse after that? What's happened here? Yeah, this person B feels that is the right way. Now I have to bring back justice. Person A is trying to bring back justice by saying, hey, I'm going to become better and I'll come back and I'll make everything okay. Person B has the justice card because they feel I've been treated like an option and I refuse to give you my power anymore. And the way I can get justice in my life is by being strong myself now and not giving you that control anymore. There is a chariot here. Spirit, why is the chariot here for person B? Why is the chariot here for person B? Even though things have not really completely ended from person B's end right now, they've definitely put the brakes on something. They've halted a lot of movement between the two of you after all these secrets were revealed. Right? I have the moon card here twice. So now let's find out what this moon card represents. Spirit, what is this moon card for person B? Yeah, according to them, they are totally in their emotions. They are feeling miserable about their life, I think, at the moment. They feel things have totally come to a halt here, and because their stability got rocked here. Right? So these secrets have now been revealed, and this put this person into very, very deep in their emotions. They're not in a very happy place. So let's see what's going to happen in your mutual energies now. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, the King of Wands upright, and the Seven of Pentacles. So, Spirit, what is the Knight of Pentacles here? Knight of Pentacles is usually a card which represents things coming to a halt, especially when it's in reverse. Yet both wanting victory and wanting things to move. Now, whether you guys are on the same page, we'll just find out. What's this Six of Wands, Spirit? What's the Six of Wands? Yeah, you're both feeling the loss of this relationship coming to a halt now. Heart of hearts, you both want victory. You want to come out of this sadness and depression. You want to not look at the past anymore. And this is in your mutual energy. As much as person B is angry, I think heart of hearts, they do want to have victory with person A. So there is a King of Wands here, Spirit. What is the King of Wands? What is this action being taken here? One more. I think whatever happened here, maybe there was no equal give and take or whatever. This was the reason where things went wrong, right? Or maybe one person was giving to two, or there was an unequal balance of the way things were done. I think this masculine is going to take some passionate action towards the feminine, and you guys are going to end this fight, right? I don't think anybody is going to be single for long. If person B was planning this, I think once this masculine comes back and takes charge, and things will get better, and this fight will be put to an end. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. This is Seven of Pentacles. Things are right now halted, Pisces, at least till the end of September, because I don't think you guys are talking to each other. You people are not really talking to each other. Maybe there is a little difficulty in travel or coming towards each other right now. Both are waiting for this clarity of what happened here, what investment was not put into this relationship and by whom, Once this clear communication comes, Pisces, things will be put right. This Wheel of Fortune is there. After this ending, there is victory. There is victory. Victory card has come out 2-3 times now. You will have victory. This Wheel of Fortune will move ahead soon again. You will have clear-cut communication coming your way, Pisces, very soon. Okay, may not happen till the end of September, but it's on its way. Just know that your stability is safe. It's intact. Nothing is going to move it. And yes, you will be triumphant. You will win. Okay, there's nothing to worry about here. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. You take care. Love and light. Namaste. And I'll see you Thursday for your Love Bites.